Guys, it's Andrew here from the Guangdong province. Just giving you guys some of my tips on how to stay safe during the coronavirus outbreak all around the world. So yeah, from my experiences in Guangdong province, the best way to contain this virus is to stay at home. As you can see in the whole world, no one is staying at home. Everyone's still out. When you watch YouTube videos, everyone's still out. So this virus will continue to spread. It will continue to spread non-stop because no one's staying at home. The virus in China has stopped because during that time everyone stayed at home. We listened to the government, and yeah, that's why the virus has come down. You can see in many YouTube videos that in China there was ghost towns, and yeah, there was cops everywhere. They blocked all the intersections, no cars could go through and all that stuff. So that's why the virus has come down. The second thing is to wear face masks. Like today I hear on the news in America, they say face mask is only good for the health officials. I don't think that is a wise thing to say, because face masks, because like when you sneeze, you can see all the particles, it flies everywhere and it stays in the air. So even if you're walking anywhere, you don't know who sneezed and where these particles are, because you can't see them. But when you have a face mask, it helps protect you from those particles, from not entering it through your nose and all that stuff. So yeah, so having a face mask is a very good thing to have, and also helps you from not catching it, and stops the virus from spreading, because when they sneeze it onto the face mask. I know face masks can sometimes cause headaches when you wear it for too long, but hey, you just need to wear it because the virus is everywhere. Next thing is to stay away from hospital. Even if you only go to the hospital if you think you're really in a severe case of coronavirus. So the best way to stay away from hospitals, because by the hospitals, think about it, if you go there, everyone should be having the coronavirus. So the best way to stay away from those hospitals, because you will catch it, because everyone has it there. So yeah, best just to stay at home. The next thing is to wash your hands, because the more you wash your hands, the better you feel, because you know you have clean hands. And yeah, when you go out, sometimes you like to touch the rails of the like train stations or something, and you know this virus, when people, it has been proven, when they sneeze and it sticks onto the surface, it stays on for many hours, like 2 to 8 hours. So if you have like touched the rail, and you don't, because we don't know these things, like if there's germs on the rail, so they touch the rail and then they touch their face and their eyes, and then you get the virus. So yeah, so always wash your hands, because sometimes when I get headaches and stuff, I also wash my hands. Once I finish washing my hands, I know that there's no germs on my hands, and then I start to feel better, and I was healthy. So during that time on the lockdown from the January 24th till now, I was always healthy staying at home, because I always wash my hands. And yeah, and the last thing I want to say is to stop watching too much of the coronavirus news. These news agencies, they're making too much fake news that's causing so much panic in people's brains, making them think that they have the coronavirus, but they actually don't. It could be just a headache or something. It happens. But during that lockdown period in Guangdong, I was using a VPN to watch the news of everything, and I was getting stressed out and all that stuff. Guys, you don't need to stress out. This news is causing panic on everyone. Stop watching the news. Just stay at home, wear a face mask when you go out, and stay away from hospitals, and wash your hands. The best way is just to stay at home, guys. Don't panic, guys. This virus can be contained if everyone listen and stay at home. But if you don't stay at home like the whole world as we can see it, the virus will continue to spread no matter what. But the cases now in Guangdong, we still hear that the people from Wuhan that has been let out, we're still scared of them. because we don't know if they healed or not. So yeah, so we're still chilling at home mostly. There's a lot of people still going out, but we'll just see the situation after a few months time. I think this virus will last until the end of the year. So just to see until the end of the year, then we can really predict if everything is okay before we can go on holiday trips and all that stuff. So yeah, these are just some of my my tips for you guys to know about how to protect yourselves from the coronavirus and to stay healthy. Oh yeah, and also please do a lot of exercise at home. Try to do like squats and push-ups. They're easy movements, or do jumping jacks to boost your heart rate up. Do it like maybe 30 minutes a day. It's good for your health. So yeah, thanks guys for listening to me talk about this. Thanks guys.